Hey, okay, so today, sorry my hair's a bit standing, it's awful. Today I'm going to show you how to make tortillas. I love them, and for a very long time I was looking for a recipe and I found one. So today I'm going to show you how to make them. So let's get cracking.
Ja, sieht gut aus.
Warum stehst du hier? Ich habe schon angefangen.
Oh, ich dachte, dieses sind die.
This is my son, he needs to take a shower.
Nee.
This is my little kid, Lily, me.
So it's still recording. Yeah, so we're gonna make some tortillas. It's Saturday, so we don't have a lot to do, so we decided to and also we're gonna make some sauerkraut because I did a video on foods that bloat you, and cabbage does that to me, so we decided to make some sauerkraut. Very delicious. So okay, let's get started. I'm gonna get all the ingredients. Right, so we need 8 large eggs. So I've got them in here. You can also buy the eggs, you know, the liquid eggs, if you don't want to crack eggs. I did. And then we'll need to add a third of a cup of almond flour. Now, you can also put in coconut flour. However, I really don't like coconut flour that much, especially if I'm doing savory. So I'm just going to give this a good mix. Right, now I'm going to add 10 tablespoons of water, yes.
Yep, I know.
Okay. So,
Now mix.
yes, we're going to mix it nicely.
Yes, it's Lily again.
Right, so then I'm just going to get my, I put in onion powder and some garlic powder and some salt and baking powder. Okay, so I gave it a good mix, Aiden. So we're done with that. Okay, now I've got some olive oil and just a little bit, not too much. Right. Okay, so that's going to heat up. It's going to take a while. And I need a spatula. Right here. Let's take this out.
Yes.
The first one usually flops.
Yes.
I don't know, I remember back in the days with the pancakes. We don't eat them now, but the first one always flopped, so that was the rule of thumb. So I'm just going to get a cup over here.
Diet.
Right.
What? I did kids. I was maybe
Very fluid. Okay, so I'm done with the tortillas. They came out very nicely. I'm so impressed. Okay, not perfectly round shape, but it will do. And I'm gonna have a sneak taste. Very nice. Chili spiciness would be great, but the kids don't eat it, so I'll just put it on afterwards. So I'm gonna make some nice ground beef, and then I'll take some pictures and show you afterwards. Okay.